AI for accomplishment, from overload to outcomes, powered by AI's 45 skills framework. This will help you to turn vague intention into measurable outcomes. Join this practical workshop that combines 9-pillar AI for accomplishment framework with AI 45 skills, giving you tools, clarity and confidence to make AI truly work for you. These 9 pillars are as follows. Pillar number 1 is called awareness pillar, which will help you to understand what AI is and build curiosity and clarity. We move on to the pillar number 2 called orientation, which will align you with your goals and maps and workflows. So it will set a connection between your intentions and AI world. The pillar number 3 called access pillar, it will help you to choose and set up tools, data and platforms which help you to achieve your goals. In the pillar number 4 called applications, we will help you to use prompts and loops to get practical outcomes and outputs. Pillar number 5 called augmentation, amplify your strengths with AI's precision. Pillar number 6 called accomplishment, measures success and celebrate progress. Pillar number 7 advancement, upgrade continuously with evolving AI. AI is coming with new tools and frameworks and platforms which will help you to advance further, and this pillar will help you work towards that. Pillar number 8 called alignment, it will help you to stay ethical, mindful and responsible while using AI resources. Pillar number 9 called amplification will help you to share, scale and teach you what you can learn from the AI. So what you will get at the end of the workshop is personal accomplishment map, AI 45 skill checklist, prompt pack aligned to your workflow, a 30-day outcome plan plus certificate. And who is this workshop is intended? Professionals, founders, educators and creators and students can actually take benefit of this. This workshop is from Instant Stories because life happens between big events. You can contact us anytime for arranging this workshop for yourself or your institution.